students. How are you? I hope you all are fine as we are suffering from this COVID-19 pandemic. It is unable you guys to come here and attend the classroom, the physical classes. So that our institute thought, why should not we go online and take the online classes for you so that you can be in touch with us, you can be in touch with your syllabus. So let us start with, first of all, welcome all you in this semester 3. Let's start the first lesson with the syllabus introduction. You can write it in your notebook also. Firstly, in this semester, the semester 3, you will have 4 units, 1, 2, 3 and 4 units will be there. And as far as these 4 units are concerned, your 80 marks will be based on all these 4 units. Now in this unit number 1, you will have one novel called Silas Marner, written by George Eliot. Now there is only one in this unit, and this is a very famous novel by George Eliot. George Eliot is actually not the name of a male writer. It is the name of a female writer called Mary Ann Evans, who took this name as pen name we can call for writing. As we have in Marathi, Viva Shirvatkar is called Kusumagraj. And there are Manik Godghate is called Grace. They have what we call Topan now. As it is this pen name, the writer who took the name to writing, it is called pen name here. So this George Eliot has written this novel. It is a very famous novel in English literature. I hope you will love to learn it. I also sent it to your WhatsApp group. The soft copy of this novel is available in your WhatsApp group. You can download it and you have to read it before coming here to the college. Let us turn towards the second unit. Now the second unit is related to the essays. As there is novel, in second unit there are essays. Now the first one is of studies. This one is of studies, and it is written by Francis Bacon. Obviously, the name shows study. How the studied man, how the literate man can be, and what are the importance of study is highlighted here in the essay. The second one is The Trumpet Club, written by Sir Richard Steele. Third one, The Man in Black, is written by Oliver Goldsmith. And the last, Dream Children, is written by Charles Lamb. So friends, this all the 4 essayists, all the 4 writers are very famous and prominent in English literature. Let us turn towards the third unit. Extremely sorry. Let us turn towards this pattern, question paper pattern. As you all know, question paper will be for 80 marks. The maximum marks are 80, and it will be for 3 hours. And there will be let me show you the entire question paper over here, so that you will come to know how the pattern is there. As you can see over here, there are 5 questions, and these 5 questions are divided into A and B. The first one, this one, let me zoom it for you. Yeah, it's zooming. So the first, this is the first one, and this first question will be for 150 words. There will be 2 questions, and which will be based on that novel called Silas Marner, and you have to solve 1 out of 2. 2 questions will be asked, and you have to solve 1, that is for 10 marks. In B, 1B, again there will be 2 questions, and you have to solve 1, but this time it is not from unit number 1, it's from unit number 2. This unit number 2 is related to, I already told you, essay. This out of 4 essays, there will be 1 essay, out of 4 there will be 2 essays in your examinations, and one has to be solved by you, that is for 10 marks. So this first question is for 20 marks in this way. As far as second question is concerned, this second question 2A, here there will be 3 questions based on unit number 1, means on essay, on Silas Marner, and you have to solve 2 out of 3. Means 1 question is for 5 marks and you have to solve 2. In question number 2B, again the same pattern is there. 3 questions will be there, you have to solve 2, but this time the unit number will be changed, unit is second, that is for essays. So again this question number 2 is for 20 marks in this way. Now another question is question number 3A. In question number 3A there will be 2 questions and you have to solve only 1, but in this time this question will be from unit number 3, that is background. One is for essay, another one is for novel. As I already shown you, there is the history of essay, the growth of essay from Elizabethan age to Victorian age has shown in that, and another one is novel, which is mainly from Victorian, how the novel is flourished, how the novel is developed in the Victorian age, that has to be learnt in particular this unit number 3, and there will be 1 question we have to solve out of 2. And the another one is unit number 3B. This is unit number 3B. Question number 3B, where 3 questions will be asked from the same unit, from the background, and we have to solve 2. And this 2 will be for 5 marks, 5 into 2, 10 marks. The second last question, here there will be 4 questions, and out of 4 we have to solve 2, and all will be based on unit number 4. As you all know, in our first and second semester there were literary terms, there were 5 terms. Here we have 4 terms. Out of 4 terms, all 4 terms will be asked, and 1 term is for 5 marks. As picaresque novel, sentimental novel, and historical and Gothic novel, these 4 types of novels are given here in unit number 4, and all the 4 will be asked and you have to solve 2. And the last question is question number 5, where there will be 8 questions, and these 8 questions will be combinedly from unit number 2 and unit number 3, and out of 8 questions we have to solve any 5, and 1 question is for 2 marks, means 5 into 2, 10 marks. In this way there will be 80 marks in your theory examination, and as far as your internal assessment is concerned, you are already very acknowledged with this. Your attendance will have 5 marks. Assignments, whatever you assignment you submit to us, that is for 5 marks. And definitely we are going to organize seminar and group discussion this year also. On them there are 5 marks, and your test is there, your Viva is there. For that there are 5 marks. In this way, your internal assessment is for 20 marks, and the theory is for again 80 marks. Friends, as far as your units of marks weightage according to unit is concerned, this unit number 1 uh, is for 20 marks, means 2 LAQs are there. So this unit number will be for 20 marks for your semester, and this unit number second 2, that is for essay, where there will be 25 marks. This unit number 3 again is for 25 marks, and this unit number 4 has 10 marks. So this one is for, sorry, this one is for 20 marks. Sorry, we have to draw it, that's why the handwriting is not a good one. And this is for 25 marks. This is again for 25 marks, and the last one where 4 terms are given is for 10 marks. So 20, 25, 25 and 10, this 50, 70 and 10, 80. This all 4 units are for 80 marks. Now you have got the idea where we have to focus more. We have to focus more on all these 3. It doesn't mean that we have to focus less on here. We have to focus on all unit one by one. But I suggest you, till our college reopen or restart physically and you come to your class, please try to read this novel which I already uploaded to the WhatsApp group. And if you have any questions related to this syllabus, this paper pattern, or while reading this novel, you can call me, or you can just write your queries in our WhatsApp group. I am there for you. So I hope you got this. Thank you very much.